Welcome back everybody. This is a review of the Amazon Basics screwdriver. And I just got this and I've been playing around with it, and I thought I'd take you with me and explore this basic budget screwdriver. Right off the bat, what I notice is a nice and ergonomic feel to it. The soft grip is really nice. The shaft here is, I think, a chrome vanadium, and overall the first impression is really good. For a budget screwdriver, this is actually pretty nice. So as you may know, the bits are in the organizer in the back. What you do is you just press here and it pops out. So that's a really nice feature. How many bits do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bits. So that's nice. And these are the standard 1/4 inch bits. So if you have other bit sets laying around, you can actually use these them on this screwdriver. There's a little extension here for the screwdriver, and that fits really well and snug. That's really in there, so that's good. And take out one of the bits. Oh, that's nice and tight.
What did he just say?
Put that back, and of course it's magnetically held, so yeah, that's really on there. It's a little wobbly, but you know, it's a budget screwdriver, so you know, you have to give it some slack, I guess. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. This is actually a ratchet screwdriver, so as you can see here, the direction you can go, either fasten or loosen. So if I put it on there, and the other way around. So that feels really nice. And put it in the middle, and you have your regular screwdriver without the ratchet. So you have 3 positions, as you can see. So overall, the first impression is that it's a decent screwdriver. It's not exactly very premium, but I did not expect it for this price point. But overall, I'm pretty happy, and I'm going to be using this in the next weeks. And yeah, I'll let you know what my findings are. So this is just a short review. Kind of wanted to show you what this thing is, and I'll catch you in the next video.